My people are what make me proud. And not just the individuals, but what they do when they go out and they kick butt and customers call saying thanks. There's nothing makes me prouder on a Sunday night or a Monday morning when I just get some impromptu email from a customer saying your guys kicked butt this weekend, thanks a lot.
Innovator is a company that, regardless of the client needs, be it specialty services, construction support, front-end planning, these type of front-end construction support services, we're here to support our clients, period. That's what Innovator does. Innovator will step in to fill a void that a client may have. If there's a vacuum of need that a client has, we're able to fill that vacuum with either expertise, specialty equipment, properly trained personnel, whatever the case may be. If we have a client or a customer that needs us, we're there to fulfill that need.
I started this company because I wanted to do something different for customers and for employees. I saw what was going on in the industry and I thought we could do it much better. I didn't want to be another player in the industry, I wanted to be the leader. And to be the leader, we needed to have a new business that we were in the driver's seat of, that we could decide how we were going to do business. And that meant a commitment to innovation, right? And not just a story, not just a tagline, but really conscientiously, proactively, always looking for better ways and better technology. Better ways to do things and better technology to do it. Sometimes it's one or the other, sometimes it's both. And when we find that sweet spot, our customers get great results. In an industry where there's a labor shortage, you do not need more labor. This is a fallacy in this marketplace that you need to throw more people at the job to get more results. What you need are people with better skills and better caring about the results, and you will get extraordinary things. Right? We care about extraordinary customer service at Innovator. Extraordinary customer service. Not ordinary, extraordinary. And we do it with talent and commitment to service.
I think what makes us different is how quickly we can evolve the business, how quickly we can adapt and update our procedures, our standards to be able to support a specific client need. I think that's a really, really big deal.
People think we've taken off. I think we've only just begun. Right? I think the flywheel of Innovator's success is just now starting to gain some momentum. People think that we have gained a lot of momentum. I believe we've just begun.